Hello guys, my name is Reza. I'm a Farsi teacher. In this video, I'm going to review lesson 2 from this book, Learn to Speak Farsi in 30 Days. This book is for those who want to learn Farsi but don't want to learn the Persian or Farsi alphabet. So this book doesn't use the Farsi alphabet. As you can see, this is day 2 and the title is Esmet Chie. Esmet Chie, what's your name? So you can see that we use English letters to write the pronunciation of Farsi words. In this book, we don't learn the Farsi alphabet or Persian alphabet. We just use the English letters. Let's review the lesson. And this book is published in paperback and also in ebook. The link of the book is below this video. اسمت چیه؟ اسمت چیه؟ مکالمه. مکالمه means a conversation. مکالمه. بابک. بابک. دارا. These two are common names for boys in Iran. اسمت چیه؟ اسمم داراست. اسمم دا. So you can see that pronunciation for a is just a and the bar on it. داراست. اسمم means my name. داراست. Daras is the brief form of dara asked. The brief form is darast. It is dara. Manam, or manam is the brief form of manham. Ham means also, or two. Manam babak hastam. Hastam I am. Manam babak hastam. از دیدنتون خوشبختم. از دیدنتون خوشبختم. خوشبختم. از دیدنتون خوشبختم simply means nice to meet you. Let's take a look at the next part, the next section. It is common phrases or جمله های رایج. جمله means phrase or sentence. جمله های sentences. رایج means common. اسم من جانه. So اسم من and whatever your name you can add it at the end. اسم من for example is رزاست. اسم من رزاست. اسم من جانه. اسمتون your name چیه? What is it? چیه means what is it? اسمتون چیه؟ اسم اون چیه؟ اون means he or she or her or his. اسم اون چیه؟ اسم اونا چیه؟ اسم اونا چیه؟ Okay, next part is grammar. In Farsi we say grammar. Grammar. So in this lesson, let's review the simple present of to have. So the first one I have دارم. I have دارم. داری, داری is for one person, singular. داری, داره, she or he has. داره. داریم, دارین is for plural. دارین, دارن, they have دارن. مثال, example, مثال, تو تو means you, means one. ماشین means car, vehicle. ماشین داری means you have. So you see that we put the verb at the end of the sentence. The next one is again another conversation, مکالمه. دنیا سپر. دنیا is a common name for girls and سپر is for boys. دنیا سپر. شما تو این کلاس هستین. شما means you. تو این کلاس. Class means class. هستین means you are. It's a question. So when it is a question, you need to raise your voice. شما تو این کلاس هستین. If you don't change your tone and you say شما تو این کلاس هستین, it is not a question, it's a statement. But if it is a question, then you need to raise your voice. شما تو این کلاس هستین. شما تو این کلاس هستین. So it means that it's a question and you're expecting an answer. آره. آره means yes. هستم. I am. آره هستم. اسمتون سیناست. So it's a question again. So it is a question. You need to raise your voice. اسمتون means your name. سیناست. اسمتون سیناست. Is your name سینا؟ نه. نه. اسمتون چیه؟ اسمتون چیه؟ What's your name? سپر. سپر. Alright, let's go to the next part. Part number 5, day 2. جمله های رایج again. So we have common phrases. جمله های رایج related to this topic. کی همراهتونه؟ کی همراهتونه؟ Who's with you or who are with you? کی همراهتونه؟ من با خانوادم هستم. من با خانوادم. خانوادم. خانوادم is my family. خانوادم هستم. I am. من با بچه هام هستم. بچه هام هستم. من با بچه هام هستم. So it means that in normal voice, we don't have a stress. In Farsi, in simple sentences, sometimes when you emphasize on one word, you can say the word with a stress, but we don't have a stress on letters in Farsi. So من با بچه هم هستم, just the tone is normal. من با خانومم هستم. من با خانومم, my wife, خانومم هستم. من با نامزدم. نامزد means fiancé. من با نامزدم هستم. من تنهام. تنها means alone. تنها. من تنهام. Okay, let's take a look at the next part is numbers. In the first lesson, we review some numbers. Let's take a look at some more numbers. In Farsi, we say اعداد. اعداد. اعداد, numbers. 11. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 20. So you can see that these are numbers 11 to 20. 20. Let's take a look at next one. Grammar again. Grammar. Grammar, we say in Farsi, grammar. So negative format of to have. Negative format of to have. Let's take a look at the first one. Nadoram. I don't have nadoram. Nadoram. Nadori. Nadore. Nadorim. Nadorin. Nadoran. مثال اونا کیف ندارن. اونا کیف ندارن. Okay, next part is again we have مکالمه. مکالمه, conversation. کیان. کیان is a common name for boys. لیدا. لیدا, common name for girls. اسمت چیه؟ اسمت چیه؟ لیدا. فامیلیت چیه؟ فامیلی means family name. فامیلیت چیه؟ جوادی. جوادی. جوادی is a popular last name in Iran. Let's take a look at the next one. The next part number 9 is common phrases again. جمله های رایج. از کی باید بپرسم؟ از کی باید بپرسم؟ از کی باید بپرسم؟ فشار بدین. فشار بدین. بکشین. بکشین. متوجه نمیشم. متوجه نمیشم. متوجه نمیشم. ببین. میدونم. میدونم. Let's take a look at another grammar. So it is genitive after vowels. So we use the vowel e or sometimes ye. So e or ye as a genitive after vowels. For example, خونه تو. خونه تو, your house, your home. بچه من. بچه من. بچه means child. بچه من. So we connect two words using e or ye. بچه من, my child. خونه من بزرگه. خونه من, my house. بزرگ means big. E at the end simply means is. خونه من بزرگه. My house is big. Okay, word of the day, it is family. Family means last name. فامیلیم جعفریه. فامیلیم, my family name, my last name, جعفریه. Jafari means the last is a common, popular last name. A at the end simply means is. Jafariye is a brief form of hast. Hast, the brief form of it is a. Let's take a look at the next part, idiom of the day. اصطلاح روز. روز means day. اصطلاح means idiom or proverb. اصطلاح روز. وقت گل نی. وقت گل نی. وقت گل نی simply means when the hell's frozen over. هیچ وقت. هرگز. هیچ وقت means never. هرگز never. Okay, the last part of each day is some vocabulary. We have some vocabulary, the vocabulary that we use in the lesson or vocabularies related to the topic that we need to know. Okay, let's take a look at them. The first one is اسم. اسم. چی. چی means what? چی. چیه, what is it? چی means what? از. خوشبخت. خوشبخت. یک. یک means one. ماشین. ماشین. two. این. کلاس. کی. کی. همراه. همراه means with. همراه. خانواده. خانواده. بچه. بچه. child. با. خانوم. خانوم. نامزد. تنها. کیف. باید. پرسیدن. پرسیدن to ask. پرسیدن. فشار دادن means to push. فشار دادن. فشار دادن. کشیدن. کشیدن. متوجه شدن. متوجه شدن. دونستن also means to know. متوجه شدن to understand, to know. دونستن. خونه. بزرگ. وقت. گل. نی. هرگز. هیچ وقت. هیچ وقت. Alright, thank you for watching this video. This was the second day of this book, Learn to Speak Farsi in 30 days. If you have the book, you can just review the book with me. I try to review the whole book. I just reviewed the first one before, and this one is the second lesson. The link of the book is below this video. You can purchase the ebook or you can purchase the paperback version of this book. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about this lesson, leave your comment below this video. Thank you.